This year, we went to Alberta, Canada. We drove through the Canadian Rockies, one of the most beautiful places in Canada. This road takes us past tall mountains, deep valleys, and endless trees. The views are peaceful and quiet. You don't need to say much when the scenery speaks for itself. Along the way, we passed lakes, rivers, and wide open skies. Sometimes, you'll see animals like elk, deer, or even bear by the side of the road. Unfortunately, we didn't see one. We didn't see bear. The roads can be winding, but they lead to some amazing views. Places like Banff, Jasper, and Lake Louise. They are nearby, and every stop is worth it. Whether it's your first visit or 10th visit, the beauty of the Rockies never fades. Nature is powerful and peaceful at the same time. As you can see, this drive is a great way to relax and enjoy nature. You don't need a plan. Just take your time, enjoy the views, and breathe in the fresh mountain air. I hope you like this video and enjoy the ride with us. And thank you so much for joining me in this drive through the Canadian Rockies. If you liked it and it brought you peace, inspiration, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you so much and enjoy.